Where is he? Where's Mr. Merrick? John? Where is he? Where's Mr. Merrick?
I don't know what you mean, sir.
Don't lie to me! I know all about it. You were seen. You're involved with bites, aren't you? You've taken him. Where is he?
Now, wait a minute, take him. I'm taking him anywhere. I don't know, no bites. He was just having a bit of fun. I never hurt him. You know, just having a laugh, that's all.
Yeah, you bastard! He's gone!
When I left him, he was in bed, safe and sound.
You bastard!
You're not listening to me. I told you, I don't know no bites. I ain't done nothing wrong. People pay money to see your monster, Mr. Treves. I'll collect it.
You're the monster, you're that freak! Now get out, you're finished, damn you!
You don't frighten me. You and your bleeding elephant man. I'm glad what I done, and you can do nothing about it. Only Mother's head can sack me now.
Where's Dad?
Those mob fools want you gone so they can get back to the way things were. But I know the truth. There's no going back. You've changed things. Forever. To them, you're just a freak. Like me. They need you right now. But when they don't, they'll cast you out. Like a leper. You see, their morals, their code. It's a bad joke. Dropped at the first sign of trouble. They're only as good as the world allows them to be. I'll show you. When the chips are down, these civilized people, they'll eat each other. See, I'm not a monster. I'm just ahead of the curve.
Where's Dad?
You have all these rules, and you think they'll save you.
He's in control. I have one rule.
Oh, then that's the rule you'll have to break to know the truth.
Which is?
The only sensible way to live in this world is without rules. And tonight, you're gonna break your one rule.
I'm considering it.
You know, there's only minutes left, so you're gonna have to play my little game if you want to save one of them.
Yeah?
You know, for a while there, I thought you really were a dent. The way you threw yourself after her. Look at you go!